linear inequation in equation, right? Linear inequation. And this, in this we have question number 2. That is what question is, 3 is 3 is greater than x minus 4, x minus 4 by 2 plus x plus x upon 3 and greater than equal to 2. 3 3 is greater than x minus 4 by 2 plus x upon 3 greater than equal to 2, where where x is integer. Integer. Show on number line. Show on number line. Right? This is how this is the solution question we have. Now how you will solve this? So first we will take this, right? So there is 3 is greater than x minus 4 upon 2 plus x upon 3, right? What do you do here? 3 is greater than, we have taken 6 as an LCM, so it becomes how much? 3 times 2 becomes 6, so it is 3x minus 12 plus 2 times 3 becomes 6, so plus 2x, right? And both sides multiplying by 6. Both sides multiplying by 6. So this 6 and 6 is gone. 3 times 6 becomes 18. 18 is greater than, that is 5x. 5x minus 12. Right? Is it? So this 12 comes on this side. So 18 plus 12 is less than 5x. So we can say 30 is greater than 5x. Both sides dividing by 5, we get 6, we get 1. So x is, so 6 is greater than x. 6 is greater than x, or x is less than 6. You get this? Right. Now we come to this point. This is, now we take these two. This one. Right. Now we take these two. So there is x minus 4 upon 2 plus x upon 3 is greater than 2. So same thing we can do of here itself, right? What we have done here. So we can directly come to here because all the things are same. So we can write here 6. So it becomes 3x minus 12 plus 2x whole equation multiplied by 6 greater than 2 into 6. So how much you will get? This 6 and 6 is gone. It is 5x, and this is how much? 5x greater than
Greater than equal to.
hmm?
Greater than equal to.
5 is
Greater than equal to.
where? Greater than equal to it is greater than equal to greater than equal to greater than equal to, so 5 and this is 6. So 12 plus 12 becomes 24, right? So greater than x is greater than equal to 24 whole 5, right? So it becomes how much? Equal to, oh sorry, equal to. It becomes how much?
4 whole.
It's
4
4 whole 4 by 5, right? So you get at last that x is greater than equal to 4 whole 4 by 5 and x is less than 6, right? When you draw the number line, then what happens? This is the number line. This is we have 0, this is we have 1, this is we have 2, this is we have 3, this is we have 4, and we have 5, and we have 6. Less than 6.
minus 1.
Hmm. Minus 12 when come on this side of equal, it turns to be plus. Huh? So this is 4 whole 4 by 5. We will make 5 equal parts among them. Lekin 4 whole 4 by 2 is a rational number. Right? So we can't, we need only integers. So the only solution will be
24.
only solution will be 5. Right? So solution set solution set is 5 because x is less than 6, so 6 will not count, and it is, we make 5 equal parts, that is equal to, but problem is that it is not, this my calculation is correct. 6 we have taken, 3x minus 12x 2 times 5x It's 6 times multiplied. 6 times 2 becomes 12. So 24. Yeah. I hope it is not wrong. So only solution set will be 5. Right? Because this is what? This is a rational number. It is a rational number. Rational number. So, right. So we cannot take it here because x belongs to where x belongs to integer. X belongs to integer only. So we cannot take it in this. So only 5 will be the sum. 5 is only integer we have. Right? I hope this will be the solution of this question. You understand this? Okay. Should I rub?
Yes.
This is in equation. Question number 3 we have. What is that? A is equal to x x where x is where 11x minus 5 is greater than 7x plus 3x. 7x plus 3. So x belongs to rational number. So what will be? If we do 11x minus 7x is equal to 3x greater than, you think 3 plus 5, right? So what will be? It will be 4x 4x greater than
8.
8. Both side dividing by 4, you get 2. So it means x is greater than 2. It is a whole rational. X is greater than 2. Right? X is greater than 2. And if we take set B, x is greater than 2. So any number more than 2 will be a part of that. Right? So now the next we have set B. What is set B? Set B is x where 18x minus 9, x where 18x minus 9 18x minus 9 greater than equal to 15 plus 12x plus 12x, right, where x belongs to rational number. Here also x belongs to rational number, right? This is we have. So how we'll solve it? It is 18x minus 9 greater than equal to 15 plus 12x, right? So how you do this? We bring it here. So it is 18x minus 12x greater than equal to 15 plus 9. So you get 6x is greater than equal to 24. Both sides dividing by 6, we get 4, 4 times 6 becomes 24. So we get x is greater than equal to 4, right? So if we draw the number line, so we have a number line, like this, right? This is, we are starting from 0, then we get 1, then we get 2, then we get 3, then we get 4, then we get 5, 6, and so on. You get this? Now it is saying x is greater than 2. Yeah? For first equation, for set A, it is x is greater than 2. So greater than 2 may we will put like this, and we draw a line like this. Greater than 2, any number can, infinite, है ना? मतलब its solution will be x is greater than 2 to positive infinity, n numbers, like this. Now you have next, that is x is greater than or equal to 4. It means we will put here, this is in it, and it is going up to infinity, right? So this is, we have set B, right? And in set where x is greater than equal to 4 and positive infinity, infinite numbers it goes. So this is what? This is set B, right? And this is set A. Set A. and this is set B. What question is A intersection B? A intersection B will be what?
4.
3 and 4.
4,
You know,
4
A is starting from here. A is not having 2. A is having basically 3. Starting from 3. 3, 4, 5 plus. This is A, right? And B is starting with 4. B is starting with 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So between A and B, oh, A intersection B, element which is common in both. So A intersection B, A intersection B is equal to what? 4. No, intersection they are asking, na? Intersection. Oh, sorry. After 4, there will be all these are common, na? 5, 6, 7, and so on. Sorry. A intersection B. मतलब all these lines are, they all are common. They all are belongs to A intersection B. All the elements of set A, which are all the elements of set A which are in set B. So that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are coming in there. So this is A intersection B we have. Sorry. You get it? So this is the solution of question second. You understand this? This was third. You understand this, huh? I was also a bit confused. A lot of thought process you must take. Eh,
इसका 3 से स्टार्ट हुआ इंफिनिटी तो उसका 5 से नहीं हुआ?
no, equal to sign है ना? Equal to means 4 will be included in that. Here is no equal to this, so that's why we will x is greater than 2, so we will not start from 2. But they are rational. Sorry, this is rational number, na? So rational number में 2 will be included. Rational number है तो 2 हम यहाँ I was correct. 2 को लेंगे, right? लेकिन 2 इसमें include नहीं होगा. मतलब just before 2 number is accepted, but 2 is not accepted. So that's why it is in. मतलब it is empty circle is there, and it is x is greater than equal to 4, so it is taken. It is a rational number. Here is also x belongs to rational number, and here x belongs to rational number. So all the x belongs to rational number. When rational numbers are all possible numbers, so that's why A intersection B is this. Right? This is you have. You're done. there is a quadratic equation. Now we come to quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, and that is what? Root 3, root 3 x square plus 10x 10x minus 8 root 3, 8 root 3 is equal to 0, right? So you have to find the zeros. So what is a? A is equal to root 3, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to minus 8 root 3. So discriminant, discri- discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Discriminant b squared minus 4ac. So that is equal to 10 square minus 4 into 1 is root 3 and minus 8 root 3, right? So how much you get? 100 plus
32 into 3.
96. 3 root 3 into root 3 becomes 3, 4 times 3 becomes 12, and 8 times 12 becomes 96. 96 plus 100 becomes 196. So D is greater than 0, and there will be two distinct distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. So you know x is equal to minus b plus minus root b upon 2a. So minus b, it is 10, na? So we can write here minus 10 plus minus d is root 196 upon what is
2 into root 3.
2 root 3. You get it? Now x is how much? Minus 10 plus minus 14 upon 2 root 3, right? So if I take x is equal to minus 10 plus 14 upon 2 root 3, right? So it becomes 4 upon 2 root 3. So 2 times 2 becomes 4. It becomes 2 root 3. It becomes 2 root 3. and x is equal to 2 upon root 3. So if we rationalize it, so it becomes 2 root 3 upon 3. Right? This will be the answer. X is equal to 2 root 3 upon 3. We can say x is equal to 2 root 3 upon 3. Another one, if I take x, so x is equal to what? Minus 10 minus 14 upon 2 root 3. It becomes how much?
12 upon 3 root 3.
Minus 24 upon
2 root
minus
3.
24 upon 2 root 3. This is cut. It becomes 12. Right? So you get minus 12 upon root 3. Rationalize root 3 into root 3. So that this time it is 4. So x is equal to minus 4 root 3. Hmm? X is minus 4 root 3. So two zeros are 2. Zeros are 2 root 3 upon 3 and minus 4 root 3. You get this? These are two zeros. We solve it by how? By by quadratic formula. Right? We done this with the help of quadratic formula. Right? Now if I do it by splitting the middle term, should I rub this?
Yes.
You make a note of it now. These zeros you should remember. If we solve it like by splitting the middle term, right? By splitting the middle term. By splitting the middle term, if we solve, then what happens? This, it becomes 24. You know, root 3 into 8 root 3 becomes 8 into 3, it becomes 24. Right? So 24 is 6 into 4 becomes 24. So if we take 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 also. right? Right? 6 into 4 times 6 becomes 24, and 6 plus 4, so we can take here 6 plus 2. So this is, a rough work we have done. This is a rough, it's not part of solution. So how you do this? It comes root 3 x square plus 6 6x plus 4x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. If we take root 3 common from here, root 3x, then what happens? X plus this 3 is basically, this 6 is 2 into root 3 into root 3. This 6. It can be written like that. We have taken 1 root 3 and x from it. So what is left? 2 root 3 is left. Right? And if you take 4 plus 4, there is something wrong. This will not work. You know, this system is not going to work because it is not going to solve. So we have to change this process. You can do here 12 into 2 becomes 24, right? And 12 minus 2 is equal to 10, right? So now if you write here root 3x square plus 12x minus 2x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. So what you do now again we do the same process here. This 12 can be written as 4 into root 3 into root 3, right? This 12. So we have taken root 3 as a common here. So we have taken root 3 as a common here. Root 3x. So what is left now? X plus 4 root 3. 4 root 3 minus 2 as a common, and we get how much? How much you get? 2 as a common, then you get x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Now if you take x plus 4 root 3 as a common and root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 4 root 3. And if you take root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 upon root 3. Right? Since we do not keep irrational number in denominator, so here we should do rationalization. So root 3 upon root 3. So you will get here 2 root 3 upon root 3. Right? So this will be your answer, and this is after rationalizing you get sorry, this is not root 3. Root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So 2 root 3 upon 3. This is your solution. So how we can do it? By splitting the middle term. We can solve this equation like this, right? So we have done questions from quadratic equation and inequation. Now